is who to make the rules. Like, just make your own rules.
Right.
Like George Lucas, they said your movie is too long.
Right.
I'm gonna chop it up. Okay, well, this you can't start in the middle of the story. You have to start in the beginning. No, I'm gonna start in the middle.
Right.
So he did in '77.
Right.
Then when that came out, it was time for part two or part, you know, five, however you want to do it.
Right.
Well, in Empire Strikes Back, the bad guys win. No, bad guys don't win in movies. You can't do that either. Says who? Says us. Well, who the hell are you?
Right.
What do you mean bad? No. Star Wars was that was an anomaly. You'll never get that success again. You can't do Empire Strikes Back. The bad guys cannot win. It doesn't work like that. And he's
Right.
like, I can. Who are
Watch
you to
me.
make the rules? And where's that guy now?
Yeah.
Homeless, living in a trailer somewhere, like literally. And Star Wars is Star Wars. Howard Stern, same thing. No, you can't do that on the. Why
Right.
not? Why can't I do that? And that's my thing is along the line of both of those guys, but mostly George Lucas. Like, who makes the rules? Who makes the rule that you get to make the rules? Who said
Right.
that?
Yeah.
What makes us different?
You
And
know, it's
boom.
like going off of what you just said, like now thinking back, because, like for us, our generation is old enough to know who Howard Stern is, right? But there's a whole generation who doesn't. But where I'm going with this is that that's a really good point to say, like, he's probably, if you want to think about this kind of in a holistic way, like the originator, the OG of being authentic. Like, he didn't give a
Yeah,
fuck what
no,
anybody thought. He was like, I'm
never
going to
did.
say what I want, do what I want, be where
And
I
that's it.
want, all the things, and he was incredibly successful at it.
And unapologetic.
100%.
He's like, I'm gonna do whatever I want. I'm gonna be real. This is how it is. And people, oh, this and I don't care. I don't.
Yeah.
You can fire me. Somebody else will pick me up,
Right.
or I'll be
Exactly.
homeless. Either way, I'm not gonna conform. I'm gonna do what I want,
Yep.
and you're gonna pay me. You're gonna pay me to do what I want. And literally, so between those two guys, that's the best advice I ever got was, who makes the rules for the people that make the rules?
Right.
Who put them in charge?
Yeah. I think
So
that's awesome. That's great.
yeah,
Good answer. That's a really good answer.
Never heard that before, but I love it. Who made the rule?
Yeah.
it goes to the social media
Yeah.
stuff. Like, it is a new day. Keep up with the times. Make your own rules. Like, why follow the same cookie cutter thing from 20 years ago?
Yeah.
Even in the automotive industry, it's hard because you have people that are still stuck in 91,
Right.
99. It's like, hey guys, it's 2025. We're going into 26.
Yeah.
You know, it's
Yeah.
like,
You
who
should
makes your
start saying
rules?
that now. We're in 2026, because
We're in
by the time
26.
that we get there, we're gonna be like, it's 2026.
Exactly. But it's 20 to make your own rules, man. And that was the thing between those guys. They're like, no, you can't do it. Okay, watch me do it. And I love that. I love being told I can't do something. That's my favorite. No, you're
Yeah.
not going to be able to pull that off. All right, now I'm going to pull it off even better. I love the challenge. I love it, love it, love it.
Another example, like you're saying, like for George Lucas, is somebody who has been same kind of industry, incredibly successful, but did it because somebody said you can't do that. Is Taylor Sheridan, who he's the one produced Yellowstone and
Yeah,
Landman,
yeah.
and a bunch of those shows. He's a perfect
And he was, yeah. And where did he start? Sons of Anarchy.
yeah,
And he's like, I want to do my own thing one day. And I like Kurt Sutter. Don't get me wrong. He's like, dude, just stick to being a B-roll actor. You're
right,
not going to do much. Bro, now and I hate to say it because I love Sons of Anarchy, but Yellowstone is surpassed Sons of Anarchy. Then he's still acting. Then he's doing that, but then he's still in oh man, I watch it. He's so great in that movie, in that series. Lioness.
yeah. Oh, that was such a
He's
good one.
amazing.
Oh,
So
so
good in that
good.
movie. So good in that movie. And
Yeah,
it's like, and then now I heard that he's producing triple sixes,
yeah.
or sixes.
The 4 6s. Well, he owns the 4 6s now.
That goes back exactly what we were discussing. You're right. He does fall into that because he's like, you know what? I'm going to buy this ranch. Then I'm going to charge my own production company to rent my ranch. And what the what? What?
Yeah.
Who fucking does that?
Yeah,
And he's like,
because
you
he
don't like it?
said,
That's it.
"Who are you
It's
to
my
tell me who
production
gets to
company.
make the rules?"
Yeah. So my production company is going to rent this ranch that I own and pay me to rent it. And it's my production company and I'm in charge of everything. And all from Kurt Sutter saying, but you can't do that, man.
Right. He said,
10,
"Watch me."
15 years later, and it's way bigger than Sons of Anarchy ever
Yeah.
was.
Yeah.
You know, it's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, that you know what? That's a good point. I know exactly. Yeah, I follow him too. He's great. And the Lioness show, and on top of that, he still has time to do that.
Loved it.
Does he have to be on Lioness? No, dude. He's got enough time and money. He's like, yeah, I'll be on another hit TV show.
And on top
You
of it,
know,
he's like a legit real cowboy. Like, he does all of the, like, riding, roping, all of that stuff. Like, he legit does that himself. And I'm like, bro, like, what don't you do?
everybody from Yellowstone went to 4 6s,
Yeah.
and he taught them the ride so it looked authentic on the street.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to be on my show? Yeah, you're gonna have to spend a month on my ranch.
Right.
No, I live in a penthouse in New York. Yeah, not now. You don't. You have
Right.
to come rope and cattle and live the
Yep.
life, or you're not on the fucking show. You
Yeah.
don't like it? I make the rules. It doesn't
Bye.
fucking matter. Exactly.
Well,
Exactly.
that's the
Yeah.
same way with Landman. He's not on that, but some of the stuff they come off with is like the one
Agreed.
it's all over the place talking about the windmill and the green
Yes.
bullshit and all that. That was like, oh, I love this show because I've been saying
It's
that for a
such
long
a
time.
good show.
Duh.
And it's all true. Oh yeah, love Landman.
Yeah.
Anyways, so
I know.
He's all good call on that. Good call.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could talk for
Yeah.
days. Like, those, like, so far, any show that I've seen him produce, I'm like, love it. Like, there hasn't been one yet that I'm like, I didn't really like that so
No,
much.
yeah,
But I
no,
love, like,
very true.
Lioness, loved it, was
Love
glued
that.
to it. Yellowstone,
Amazing.
glued to it. Landman, glued to it.